Here we are at the home of Edward Chiwawa, also the workshop of Edward Chiwawa, the famed first-generation sculptor from Harare, Zimbabwe. Good afternoon, Edward. How are you?
Well, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How is life today?
Today I'm happy.
Good, good. And Edward, you've been sculpting for a long time. You sculpted with Henry Munyaradzi and Fanizani Yakura. Do you remember those days?
Yes.
Yes. And how long have you been sculpting?
From 1960.
From 1960 until now, you've been sculpting. And here we are at the home. Let's see if we can widen out here. And these are some of the pieces that Edward has in his workshop. And this is where it all happens, right here under the shed. Pieces in various states of sculpting. Here's the raw stone. And from there the pieces get shaped until you have the finished product. Edward, what is the title of the piece that you are standing next to?
Asking for blessings. Asking for blessings.
Uh,
Asking for blessings.
The title is Asking for Blessings.
Yes.
It's a great piece. How long did it take you to make this piece, Edward?
That's 1 week.
A week. Alright, well thank you very much. Good to see you. And this is Edward's son McLeod, who's been helping in the translation.
Yeah.
Thank you, McLeod.
Yeah,
Okay.
welcome, yeah,